Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install off-market strategy with DealMachine, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open the DealMachine app or website to begin. Log into your account or create a new one if you haven't already. Navigate to the off-market strategies section in the main menu. Select the option to create a new off-market campaign. Input your targeted property criteria. Use filters to narrow down your search to specific neighborhoods or types of properties. Click on the search button to generate a list of potential off-market properties. Review the generated list to identify properties that meet your criteria. Select a property you are interested in pursuing. Once selected, click on the Add to Campaign button. Customize your outreach message to property owners. Choose how you want to contact the owner: letter, postcard, or cold call. Set a budget for your campaign to manage your expenses effectively. Schedule the timing for your outreach efforts. Once everything is set, launch your campaign. Monitor the responses through the DealMachine dashboard. Adjust your strategy based on the feedback and results you receive. Continuously refine your targeting criteria to improve your results over time. That concludes the quick tutorial on installing an off-market strategy with DealMachine. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.